Happy birthday, Learned Society of Wales, on our 15th birthday. What an achievement.
We're here tonight to celebrate 15 years of the Learned Society of Wales. We want to celebrate what we've achieved so far in our short 15 years.
Digon ffodus heno yma I gael bod yma ar noswaith go arbennig gyda Cymdeithas Ddysgedig sydd yma yng Nghymru ac yn cael fy anrhyddeddu. Teimlo yn arbennig iawn I gael yr anrhydedd.
We're here tonight to be in partnership with the stakeholders here in Wales and to celebrate the Learned Society of Wales and to think about what the future can be.
Wales has been able to celebrate not only what it's done, but what it's doing and looking in such a positive way to the future.
I'm a long-term supporter of the Learned Society.
What you really get out of people in the Learned Society is explanation. The ability to use their expertise and translate that into terms that people who will never know everything they know, but that can be informed by it.
Ni ro'n ni wrth y modd yn ymuno â'r Cymdeithas Ddysgedig am yr holl resymau mae llawer o'r siaradwyr wedi siarad amdanyn nhw'n barod. Mae'r Cymdeithas dwi'n meddwl yn adnodd cenedlaethol arbennig iawn.
The Early Career Network really helps people to, connect with each other, but also find purpose, common purpose in what they do, in the ways that their research can impact Wales.
We all know about the challenges that Wales faces, and what's really great about the Learned Society of Wales is by having this, you have the best ideas that Wales has.
In today's age of disinformation, we need to shout about the importance of evidence more than ever.